High-quality development is seen as the first and foremost task in China's endeavor to achieve modernization.
Today we've come to China's first oil refining and chemical complex to find out how this petrochemical firm is embracing a more sustainable future.
Sinopec Yanshan Petrochemical Company is one of the most important production bases of synthetic rubber, synthetic resin, and high-quality oil products in China.
This company was rated as Green Factory by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology in 2019.
绿水青山就是金山银山。我们团队现在做的工作呢，就是推动油品质量升级，总体超越了欧六标准，总体达到了全球先进水平。如果按照国内汽油需求量，二氧化碳减排约165万吨。随着这个新能源的替代加速，国内重汽油需求量呢，呈下降趋势。预计到2025年，汽油达到平台期，然后会逐渐减少。
Ethylene vinyl acetate, or EVA resin, is another major product of the company. It is widely used in plastic products, medical devices, and photovoltaic cells.
我们的 EVA 产品有更好的加工性能和更稳定的产品质量。去年的话，我们的增长达到了150%左右。随着绿色发展和高质量发展的推进，光伏市场越来越大，然后对我们的材料需求也越来越大。燕山石化对首都的碧水蓝天做出了贡献，我对中国的绿色发展也很有信心。
During the Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics, hydrogen was used to power the main torch, and that hydrogen was produced here.
In 2022, SYPC was certified by the China Hydrogen Energy Alliance as the first company in China to obtain clean hydrogen certification.
从去年看，我们北京市呢对氢的需求量增加得很快，初步测算公交100公里，大概和柴油车相比的话，能减排90多吨的二氧化碳，它是非常清洁和环保的，中统自然，保护自然。天更蓝，水更清，对我们人与自然和谐共生吧，是有很好的作用的。
In addition to clean energy products, this company is also making efforts to reduce the carbon footprint and environmental impact of production. Inside this giant factory, no black smoke is emitting from the chimneys, and in areas nearby, water treatment ponds and a wetland park have been established.
In 2006, SYPC started cooperation with French company Veolia on sewage treatment, and in 2017, Niukou Wetland Park was established and opened to the public for free.
2017年以前啊，它只能说是我们一个处理的系统的一部分。原来的企业是出于这个环境保护、达标排放的角度来面对这个污水处理的这么一个工作。现在实际是在于这个污水的深度治理和生态环境保护以及人与自然和谐共生啊，高质量发展给国家带来的变化，给我们生活的改善带来了极大的变化，所以我始终有信心。